We're also excited to announce that we've incorporated our most comprehensive and flexible data extraction solution into both the Java and Python SDKs. If you've ever used traditional OCR, you know that it's only useful up to a certain point. For instance, it extracts text pretty easily, but it's not able to capture its context. It doesn't understand that a number in a table cell means something different than the same number in a paragraph. Looking for an alternative, some people will turn to their LLMs for help, but that's where accuracy quickly becomes another issue, especially with complex structures, faded ink, scans, unique fonts, or even handwriting. And that's why we introduced Vision API, a local first alternative to traditional cloud OCR services that ships intelligent content recognition that understands and preserves document structure. So tables stay tables, forms become key value pairs, and extracted values remain tied to in-page coordinates. With Vision API, you can choose to use local ICR for privacy sensitive processing or connect to a leading VLM provider for an enhanced level of accuracy. You're able to switch between the three extraction modes with a simple configuration change to meet the demands of any document, no matter how ambiguous or complex its structure. Vision API is built directly into the Python and Java SDKs, so it's not a separate service that teams have to stand up or integrate independently. It's already baked in. Whether it's extracting handwritten claims packets, handwritten claims packets in banking, processing KYC insurance documents with full page level traceability, or handling scanned government forms in completely air-gapped environments. Vision API is built for the workflows where accuracy and compliance are mandatory. Unlike the major cloud extraction platforms, Vision API is local first. So documents don't ever have to leave your infrastructure, and air-gapped environments are fully supported. The only exception of this would be if you choose to use the LLM enhanced VLM and you're provisioning your own LLM from a cloud provider. Now, next, because every extracted element comes with a bounding box tied to its exact position on the source, you get the auditability that regulated workflows demand. That local first approach also changes the economics. So, no cloud dependency means no unpredictable costs as your volume grows, just extraction that fits cleanly inside your own stack.